Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. In this video, I will show you some websites and AI tools which you can use to clone your own voice. So first of all, we have this website called PlayHT. Here you can clone your own voice or use the voice cloning technology to voice over your own videos. So all you need to do is to click on try for free and sign up on this website and then click on clone your voice. Then it will take you through some steps and then you will be able to clone your voice. And the number two website is ElevenLabs. So here you can also generate your own voice clone. Here, as you can see, here is the option voice cloning. After coming here, you can sign up and then click on clone your own voice. After that, you will be able to use your voice clone for different video project, etc. But guys, before you use this voice cloning technology, make sure to review the terms of conditions and understand any limitation or restriction on the use of synthesized voices or cloned voices. Additionally, consider the ethical implication of using synthesized voices and ensure that your audience is aware if you are using AI generated voices or not. That's all guys. If you want more such videos, then make sure to subscribe my channel and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.